Okay, so I've drawn pictures on the board and I've divided up into steps what I did. So step one, here's the first picture. Those are our two metal spheres and they each are neutral, which means they have an equal number of positive and negative charges. So the one on the left, I just schematically showed 3 plus and 3 minus. Of course, it's millions of plus and millions of minus, but equal numbers. And on the right, the same thing. Now, step 2, down here, there we see I touched the two spheres together. Maybe you were watching closely and saw that as I brought in the charged plastic rod, which is what you see there on the right. What happens then? Well, these spheres are conductors, which means the charges can move. And since they're touching, they can move from one sphere to the next. And that's what all the electrons do. So the negative charges go over to the left sphere, while the positive charges stay on the right sphere. And if I then separate them before I take the negatively charged rod away, then as I separate them, they're still charged. And that's what I did. The one on the left, negatively charged. The one on the right is positively charged. And the charges can't go back, so they're both charged. And on the electroscope, you could see it was equal charges because whatever electrons left the one sphere, they went to the other sphere. So what the one lost, the other gained, and if you put it back together, you're back with neutral spheres again. So that's the explanation. Hope that was helpful.